Hi and welcome to Wipster's YouTube channel. On this channel we make all sorts of videos about how to make videos, about people who make videos. And if you look below, we've got all sorts of playlists, you can have a look through there. We've got some new videos coming out called Making Video. And that's going to be really cool. We're going to cover all the different ways of making videos, the hardware, the software, different techniques, so that we can keep on top of what's going on and then share that with you. And I make videos called The Daily Whips. And they are just fun videos that I make once in a while. It can cover trends of what's going on, meet some people on the team. You can meet some of our customers as well who are making awesome videos all over the world. And that's just a fun way of us being able to just make a vlogging style video and just show what we're up to. So for our new series coming out called Making Video, if you have any ideas of what you'd love to see or some things that you just can't find anywhere else, just make some comments below and we'll look at those and then we'll take them and turn them into subjects. And then of course, so that you know what we're up to, hit that subscribe button and you have to hit that little bell as well, because if you don't hit the bell, you don't know what the hell's going on. All right, it's been fun. Look around.